Welcome back to our phonics class with Teacher Luis
and Teacher Nook.
This is period 30. Our lesson for today is learning the sound of I. Okay, so if we put I and E together, the sound will become I. Okay, I. Can we say that one, please? I. I. Okay, the action for this sound, I, is like a captain. Okay, so I. Can we do that one? Can we do that? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I. Let's do it 3 times. I. 1, 2, 3, go. I. Very good. Okay, so that is the sound if we put I and E together. Okay, so that is the sound. What if, can you still remember, what if I cover this one, this letter? If we only have I, what is the sound? Very good. It is A. And what about if I cover I and it's only this letter? Okay? But if we put I and E together, we remember that the sound will become I. So I, E, I. I, E, I. Okay. All right. So Teacher Nook has prepared a brain gym for us.
เรามาตื่นตัวกันหน่อยนะคะคาบที่ผ่านมานะคะเราฝึกการปรบมือกับเพื่อนมาแล้วนะคะซ้ายขวาบนล่างจำได้ไหมคะ left right up and down แต่คราวนี้เราจะปรบมือเหมือนกัน 1 2 3 แต่ชี้ไปนะคะชี้ไปด้านซ้ายโดยใช้มือขวาชี้ไปด้านซ้ายนะคะ1 2 3นะคะ Okay, let's do it again one more time. Okay, 1 2 3 go. 1 2 3 left. 1 2 3 right. 1 2 3 up. 1 2 3 down. 1 2 left. 1 2 right. 1 2 up. 1 2 down. 1 left. 1 right. 1 up. 1 down. Left. Right, up, down. Okay, very good.
Okay, good job. All right. So we will learn today, we will be learning the sound of very good. What is the sound that we're learning today? Good job. Okay, so the sound is I. Okay, so let's listen to the song and be familiar with it. Don't be late, the captain said aye. One more time, okay? The captain said aye. The captain said aye. Stand up straight, don't be late, the captain said aye. All right, so this time we will be learning the song for the I sound, okay? Let's read. The captain. The captain. The captain. Okay, can you say that one, please? 1, 2, 3, go. The captain. Good job. Said. Said. Okay, so the captain said. 1, 2, 3, go. The captain said. Okay, this time you will make the sound that we will be learning today, which is I. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. I. Can we read? The captain said I. 1, 2, 3, go.
The captain said I.
Okay, so while you do this one, remember when you see this one, or on this part, you will do the action for I. Okay? I. And then you will sing this one twice, 2 times. Okay, so the captain said I. The captain said I. Okay, so you repeat it. Next we have stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Okay, so now you're sitting down, but teacher will stand up. This is stand up. This is sit down, and I will stand up. Okay, so stand up straight. Repeat after teacher. Straight.
Straight.
Oh, this is not standing up straight. Okay, this is standing up straight. Okay, I'm straight. Okay? All right. Stand up straight. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stand up straight. straight.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Stand up straight. Next. Don't be.
Don't be.
Again, one more time. Don't be.
Don't be.
Late.
Late.
Oh, if you're late, oh, look at the time. Okay, so don't be late. Stand up straight. Don't be late. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't be
late.
One more time. Don't be
late.
One more time.
Don't be late.
Very good. Stand up straight. Don't be late. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stand up straight.
Don't be late.
Very good. Okay, and then you will go back to the captain said, I. Okay, are you ready to sing the song now?
Yes.
Okay, let's sing the song. And are you ready? All right, let's sing. And do the action, okay? The captain said, aye. The captain said, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said, aye. One more time. The captain said, aye. The captain said, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said, aye. This time, teacher, I want them to stand up. Okay, stand up, please. Okay, so that you can really stand up and stand up straight. And okay, one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Are you ready? Okay, let's sing. Stand straight. The captain said, aye. The captain said, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said, aye. Very good. Sit down, please. Okay, so this time, it's big book time. Okay, so we will look at, today we will be learning the sound. If we put I and E together, the sound is? What is the sound? I. Okay, the action for I again is I. All right, so who can tell me what are the, not much pictures, but what are the pictures that you can see here? Yes, from Pan. There's a tie. Okay, this is a tie. I, tie. Okay, so look at this one. We have I, tie. All right, Teacher Louise is wearing a, this is a tie, a necktie. The girls have their tie too. Okay, so the father is, in this picture, is wearing a red and white tie. What else? Yes? A cat. Yes, so you know that there is a cat.
Cat.
Very good. Yes, Gun?
A mouse.
A mouse. Inky is here again. Okay, the mouse. All right, what else? 5. A dog. So there's a dog here near the cat. Yes? A boy. Very good. So there is a boy in the picture. Yes, Pin. Die. Okay, so she has read the word also, which is very good. I, die. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I die.
Very good. Okay, I guess we are ready to listen to the story, right? Are you ready to listen?
Yes.
Very good. So let's listen to the story about a boy. Oh, this time the boy will go to a fancy dress party. Okay, fancy meaning you can wear the clothes you like. It's like a costume party. Okay, so the boy will go to a fancy dress party. Sometimes like during Halloween or any other parties, oh, you can go as a princess, you can go as a prince.
Mommy.
Yes, a mummy, like that, or you could go like a superhero, okay? But this boy, he chose to go to that party as a captain or as a sailor, okay? So he is a sailor, okay? A sailor works at the boat, okay? He sails, sail, okay? He is a sailor, okay? Then, so one day, the boy will go to a party, okay? So he went to his room and he is now dressing up. Okay, so he dressed up. He said like, I'm gonna put on my hat. I'm gonna put on my sailor costume or clothes. Okay? Then in the room, he also has his dog and his cat. Okay. Then suddenly, he heard something from the door. Okay? There's a sound coming from the door and it's like tuck, tuck, tuck or knock, knock, knock like that. Okay? And Dad said, what took you so long? Are you ready? And then the boy said, I. Okay, so he's very smart and straight already. He looked at the mirror. This, by the way, is a mirror. Repeat after teacher. Mirror. Mirror. Okay, so this is a mirror. Mirror is where you can look at yourself. Okay, you can check yourself. So the boy is checking himself, and when he heard his dad, are you ready? Ah, the dad said, and then the dad opened the door. Are you ready? Oh, and then he said, I. Okay, what did he say again? 1, 2, 3, go. I. Very good. So now the boy is ready to go to the fancy dress party. Okay. All right. So now we will be learning words that has the I sound. Okay. Let's learn some words with the I sound. Okay. So this time we have pictures here, and I want you to look at the picture. Let's look at this picture, okay? This picture is lie, okay? So let's make the sound of this letter. Oh, this letter. Very good, okay? So it is okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay? And then again, teacher told you if we can see I and E together, it is I. So, I, lie. Very good. Oh, so this boy lied. So, his nose. Yes, his nose. Yes, Pinocchio. Pinocchio lied, so his nose, became longer. I know you know that story, okay? Let's read the word. 1, 2, 3, go. I. Very good. And now we go to our next word. We have, it's a pie. So this is a picture of a pie. Okay, let's make the sound of letter P, which is P. One more time. Letter P. 1, 2, 3, go. And then, again, I and E. I. So, I, pie. 1, 2, 3, go. I, pie. Good job. And then we have this one. Yes. In our big book, you have seen the father is wearing a tie. Okay, let's read. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. And then I. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. I, tie. Okay, so the girls are wearing the tie. Teacher is also wearing a necktie or a tie. All right. Next picture we have. What's the sound of D? What is? Very good. Yes. The sound of D is D. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. D. And then D. I. Die. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, go. D. I. Die. Okay, so this is a picture resembles die also. Okay. Next, let's read the word lie, pie, tie, die. 1, 2, 3, go.
Lie, pie, tie, die.
Okay, so what sound can you hear mostly here? What is the sound? I. Okay, the sound that you often hear here is I. Next. Now this time, I want you to look at the board. This word, you notice that I and E are not together. Okay, there's a letter in between. So I'll tell you in between. So my head is between my two hands. So my head is between my two hands. Okay? So you can see here the k is in between a and e, but the sound that we will be making with this word is I still. Listen. Bike. See, you can still hear the sound I. Bike. Okay? Bike. And then, so let's read. Bike. Bike. Yes, teacher Nook?
เด็กๆ คะเนื่องจากว่าเสียงนี้นะคะอาจจะยากไปนิดนึงนะคะทิเชอร์จะขออนุญาตอธิบายเด็กๆเป็นภาษาไทยนะคะว่าปกติแล้วเนี่ยเสียง IE รวมกันนะคะ E and A เวลารวมกันเป็นเสียงอะไรนะคะ I เช่น one two three go Thai
Die. Pie.
แต่ว่าคำที่เราพบเห็นส่วนมากเนี่ยมี I กับ E อยู่ในหนึ่งคำก็จริงนะคะแต่ว่ามักจะมีหนึ่งเสียงเข้ามาแทรกตรงกลางระหว่าง I กับ E นะคะเพราะฉะนั้นเด็กๆจะต้องอ่านออกเสียงตัวที่แทรกมาด้วยนะคะเช่นตัวนี้ตัวอะไรนะคะ K อ่านออกเสียงอะไรนะคะตัว K ออกเสียงอะไรนะคะเพราะฉะนั้นเราก็จะอ่าน b I bike โอเค one two three go b I bike ต่อไป I kite ต่อไป I ride จำไว้นะคะว่า IE อาจจะอยู่แยกกันโดยที่มีพยัญชนะ1ตัวอยู่ตรงกลางและพยัญชนะนั้นจะออกเสียงเป็นเสียงหลังด้วยนะคะเช่น bike kite and ride นะคะโอเคไม่ยากนะคะเข้าใจแล้วนะคะโอเคค่ะ
Okay, so let's learn some more words that has the I sound. Okay, so let's read. Bike. Bike. Okay, and then we also have pine. Okay, so this is a pine tree. Oh, during Christmas, pine trees are made into a Christmas tree. So this is a pine tree. Okay, that's why we call it pine. Okay, repeat after teacher. Pine. Pine. Very good. Pine. So this is a pine. Okay, and then we have smile. Okay, repeat after teacher. Smile. Smile. Very good. So here, these words you can still hear I sound well when you say it. Okay, so we have smile, pine, and bike. Can we read? 1, 2, 3, go. Bike. Pine. Very good. Okay. So these are the words that has the I sound. Let's review each word. 1, 2, 3, go. Line. And then bike, pine, smile. Can we say this one? Pine. So you will do the sound here, okay? Pine. 1, 2, 3, go.
Pine. Smile.
Very good. Okay. Then we will do a next activity, which is the popsicle stick. Okay, we will be using a popsicle stick blending. Right? So teacher Louise has different popsicle sticks here with different colors, and it has words written on it. Okay, now you will to review our words, the words that we have learned here. Okay.
Like this นะคะมีคำศัพท์ที่เชอร์เขียนไปนะคะคำศัพท์1คำเนี่ยจะเขียนบนไม้ไอศครีมเนี่ย2แท่งนะคะโดยที่มันจะแยกออกจากกันนะคะเด็กๆจะต้องพยายามจับคู่นะคะมันมีสีเหมือนกันด้วยนะคะจับคู่ให้เป็นคำที่อ่านออกเสียงได้นะคะเช่นทิเชอร์อาจจะมีไม้ไอติมสีส้มเหมือนกันนะคะLuis, can you help me? โอเคแล้วทิเชอร์ก็มีแบบนี้ลองมาวาง ดูท่าทางจะไม่ใช่คู่กันละนะคะไม่สามารถอ่านออกเสียงได้ลองเปลี่ยนดูซิเอาตรงนี้มาบ้างตรงนี้มาบ้างมาวางสามารถอ่านออกเสียงได้เลยเป็นคำว่าอะไรนะคะ it again it โอเคเป็นคำว่า kite ก็ได้มา1คำนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะดูว่ามีคำศัพท์ที่เราจะสามารถจับคู่ได้กี่คำนะคะ
Okay, so this is going to be our last activity for today, and then but first teacher Nook and teacher Louise will give out this colored popsicle sticks with words written on it. You will make it or form words from it, and then you put it on top of your table when you're able to make or form the word. After that, teacher Louise and teacher Nook will give out these worksheets, and then you will write the words that you have formed from the popsicle sticks. Okay?
เด็กๆ คะหลังจากที่เราเรียงคำศัพท์ได้แล้วนะคะมีทั้งหมด10คำนะคะอย่าเพิ่งเคลื่อนย้ายไม้ไอติมไปไหนนะคะเราจะเทคโน้ตไปในกระดาษเวิร์กชีตแผ่นนี้นะคะโดยมีทั้งหมด10คำนะคะจดบันทึกลงไปนะคะและพยายามฝึกอ่านด้วยนะคะโอเค we'll start teacher
All right.
Okay, you work together in pair. You can keep the paper.
Okay.
Work together.
Very good. One, can work together.
Okay, very good. You put here.
Put here on top.
มีตัวช่วยนิดนึงนะคะสีเดียวกันจะเป็นคำศัพท์เดียวกันนะคะลองจับคู่สีเดียวกันก่อนนะคะโอเค you can finish all and then take note
You can form the words first, and then later on you can. Very good. You put it here.
Oh, sorry.
You can form the words first here. You can form it here. Easier. Oh! There. Maybe it's not the one.
Ice.
Try, check another one, check. You can put the words here so that, okay? Yes. Be careful with your letter H and your letter N.
Be careful with letter H หางยาวขึ้นไปด้านบนนะคะ Wait for your friends move a bit No, not yet, not yet
Very good. Rice, E. Where's your eyes?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Die, very good. Okay. Bike. Again, bike. Okay, good job.
All right, let's read the words that you have formed here. 1, 2, 3, go.
Bike, tie, pie, die, rice, kite, lie, ice, wine, hide.
Very good. Okay. So how many words were you able to write, Gun?
10.
10. And 1 also? How many? 10 words. Very good. Okay. Continue doing it, Fai and Tawan, okay? Oh, you're finished too. Very good. Just form the popsicle sticks on top or on your table. Oh, it's not. So if it's not the same, if you can't read the word, then meaning it's incorrect. Good job. Very good, very good. Okay. Okay, so I guess they're already finished with the worksheet, teacher. So now I want you to look at the interactive board and we will review the words that we have learned today. Okay? So are you ready to review?
Yes.
Okay, let's read each word that you see here, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
Bike, pie, smile,
Very good. And then?
lie, hide, tie, die.
For this one, let's make the sound, okay? Like for example, I, lie, okay? To practice more in blending. 1, 2, 3, go.
I lie, I tie, tie.
Again, I, tie. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go.
I tie,
And
I die.
okay, let's read the word. Lie, pie, tie, die. 1, 2, 3, go.
Lie, tie, die.
Very good. Okay, so today we have learned the sound of, or in this lesson we have learned the sound of I. That is, what letter should we put together to make? Very good. So if we put I and E together, the sound is I. Let's do the sound and do the action like a sailor, like the boy here. Okay? I. 1, 2, 3, go. I. Very good. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Teacher Nok and Teacher Louis.
Thank you. And say goodbye to your friends.
Goodbye.
Bye.